Hi everybody, this is Agnes from Sediment, and today we're going to talk about historic French wine from Rhone Valley, Chateauneuf du Pape. A friend of mine has always laughed. He says, if you are a beginner in the wine, all you need to learn is how to pronounce Chateauneuf du Pape and you will sound like a professional. I think he's right. It is very difficult to even write it, let alone pronounce it. Chateauneuf du Pape is an appellation in Rhone Valley, France. Rhone Valley broadly can be divided into two sub-regions, Northern Rhone and Southern Rhone. When it comes to red wines, Northern Rhone is dominated by single grape variety, Syrah, and here these wines are usually planted on steep slopes. While Southern Rhone is area where several different grape varieties are grown, one of the most important being here Grenache Noir. This is also where Chateauneuf du Pape is located. Chateauneuf du Pape means the new castle of the Pope, and it is reference to the period of time when Pope resided in Avignon, France. And until this day, bottles of Chateauneuf du Pape are embossed with papal relics. Chateauneuf du Pape's soil is characterized by unique stones, locally called galettes. They warm up during the day and release the warmth back to the wines during the night. 18 different grapes are allowed in production of Chateauneuf du Pape, and most wines will be blend of at least several of these grapes. Wine can be made red and white, yet white can be very difficult to find, but those that I have tasted are lovely. Most reds will be dominated by previously mentioned Grenache Noir. This grape variety offers flavors of dark, sweet fruit, spices, and full body. It tends to develop high sugar content, which is why Chateauneuf du Pape wines usually have elevated alcohol levels, and 15% is not that uncommon. Grenache Noir is not known to produce deep color and is prone to oxidation. Therefore, these wines might not be the darkest colored wines in the market. Syrah and Mourvèdre are also widely used in the blends of Chateauneuf du Pape, adding color and tonic structure. Wild grape variety Cinsault adds perfume and freshness. White Chateauneuf du Pape wines are also blend, but most notably made from Grenache Blanc, Bourbelon, Roussanne, and Claret. These wines are scented, showing flavors of ripe stone fruit, quince, and rich body, yet still remaining fresh. Interestingly, some producers would experiment with carbonic maceration for their red wines in order to make them lighter, livelier, and with softer tannins. Carbonic maceration is usually done only partially or for small batch of grapes, which is later used for blending. Traditionally, Chateauneuf du Pape wines were aged in large wooden barrels from 12 to 18 months. However, lately some producers are experimenting with small French oak barrels, adding to the wine notes of toast and vanilla. Other producers might age in small oak barrels only specific vineyard or grape variety, which would later be used in the final blend. Among the top producers within the appellation are Château de Beaucastel, Domaine de la Jeunesse, Clos de Pape, and Chateau Rayas. Interestingly, Chateau Rayas is made from Grenache only, while Chateau de Beaucastel grows all the allowed grape varieties for Chateauneuf du Pape production. Domaine de la Jeunesse provides great quality throughout their wine selection, not only with their premium bottles. I have also enjoyed Clos de Olatois de Pape wines, which are here, especially their Chateauneuf du Pape Blanc, which to me was a beautiful surprise of what southern white wines can provide. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you have tasted some of the whites from Rhone Valley and what you think of them. But if you do like these rich, full-bodied red wines, you can watch my next video on Barolo.